Welcome to TireMate, the full automatic tire repairing system. Have you even tried this kind of situation? Now, TireMate brings you the best solution. First, take out TireMate. Then, pull out the tire valve. Pull out the power cord, and connect to the car power. Power lights on. You may now connect the transparent tube to the tire valve. When connected, press the repair button for 2 seconds. The repairing will begin automatically. Here is the 3D animation of the repair process. You may see the repair liquids is going into the tire. 2 minutes later, the liquids completely filled in. The liquids goes to the broken hole and repair it automatically. The repairing lights will goes off automatically when finished. The next step is change the black tube to pumping air into the tire. When connected black tube, switch on the inflator button. When the pointer reach around 25 to 30, you may switch it off. Congratulations, you may go back to drive now. More tips for you. TireMate got lights too. You may turn on the lights with the flash button. When the repair sealer goes empty, you may changing it with few easy steps. The 3-in-1 DIY TireMate, easy for everyone, your best tire repair solution. Thank you for watching.